Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video I'm going to talk about a problem that deals with log. I have two equations that define x and y. For x I have log in base 2 and for y I have log in base 3. Based on the definition of x and y, I'm going to find x to the power of x plus y to the power of y over y to the power of x minus x to the power of y. Let's talk about the equations that I have for x and y for a bit. As you can see, the base is 2 for x and the value that I'm going to take its log is a constant value. Similarly, I can say for y, I have a constant value, and as a result, the value that I'm going to find for this fraction is going to be a constant value. Now let's see how I'm going to solve this problem. As I said, the value that I have for x is a constant. Let's find that constant. I have 3 to the power of 31 and 3 to the power of 32. I can write 3 to the power of 32 as 3 times 3 to the power of 31. If I do that for both top and bottom of this fraction, you're going to see that on top of this fraction, I have 3 to the power of 31 plus 3 times 3 to the power of 31. If you factor out 3 to the power of 31, I have 3 plus 1 times 3 to the power of 31, which is 4 times 3 to the power of 31. I can use the same approach but for the bottom, and then you will end up with 2 times 3 to the power of 31. Now I can remove 3 to the power of 31 from top and bottom of this fraction, and I have 4 over 2, which is 2. And you know that log of 2 in base 2 is going to be 1. So x is 1. I'm going to start with using the same approach but here for y. Note that first of all, instead of 3 I have 2 and instead of 31 I have 21, but the rest is going to be similar. I'm going to factor out 2 to the power of 21 from top and bottom, and then I'm going to have 2 to the power of 21 times 2 plus 1 for top, and then 2 to the power of 21, 2 minus 1 for bottom. At the end, what I have here is 3 times 2 to the power of 21 over 2 to the power of 21, which is easy to simplify, and I'm going to end up with 3. Now I need to take log of this value in base 3, which is going to be 1, and then I need to multiply that by 2. The result is y is going to be 2. Now I need to find x to the power of x, which is 1 to the power of 1, plus y to the power of y, which is 2 to the power of 2, and then y to the power of x, which is going to be 2 to the power of 1, and x to the power of y, which is going to be 1 to the power of 2. If you apply some simplification, you can see that the expression is going to be 5, and that concludes our answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, maths involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video.